The legend just got sharper, faster, and more brutal than ever before. You're watching Best Cars Review. Welcome to the all-new 2025 Nissan GT-R R38 Nismo, the beast that defines Japanese engineering with pure racing DNA. This isn't just a car, it's Godzilla reborn. At first glance, the R38 Nismo commands attention with its wider, more aerodynamic body kit, massive carbon fiber accents, and redesigned front fascia for maximum airflow. The aggressive stance and track-focused lines scream performance before you even start the engine. Under the hood, the 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6 has been tuned to perfection, now pushing out a jaw-dropping 720 horsepower. Paired with an upgraded dual-clutch transmission and an advanced all-wheel drive system, the R38 Nismo rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Every element is built for speed and control. The lightweight carbon roof, vented hood, and titanium exhaust don't just look and sound incredible. They shave weight and increase performance. The suspension has been fine-tuned for sharper handling, delivering surgical precision on both streets and track. Inside, the R38 is pure Nismo spirit: Alcantara racing seats, red contrast stitching, carbon fiber trim, and a driver-focused cockpit. The infotainment system is modernized, but make no mistake, this car is all about performance, not distractions. What makes the 2025 GT-R R38 Nismo truly special is how it blends raw power with daily usability. It's a monster on the racetrack, yet refined enough for the city. Nissan continues to honor the Skyline bloodline while pushing the GT-R into the future. The question is, are you ready to tame Godzilla 2025? This is the 2025 Nissan GT-R R38 Nismo, sharper, stronger, and faster than ever.